This is Unit 10.2. This is Unit 10.2, finding the area of a circle and finding the area of a sector of a circle. Part 1 of 10.2. This is the equation for finding the area of a circle. It is A equals pi r squared. Okay, this is an example of how to find the area of a circle. Here's the circle, and r is 3 in this problem. So now we're going to plug all of our information into the equation. So you can see that 3 is r, so you're going to plug 3 in for r. So it's pi 3 squared. And now we just squared 3, which is 9, as you can see. And now plug into your calculator pi with a 9 next to it, and you get the answer of A equals 28.274. This is part 2 of 10.2. Now we are finding the area of a sector of a circle. Okay, here's an example. So here's a circle, and here's the sector we are trying to find the area of. And the r is 5, and inside the circle it is a 60-degree sector. And so here you can see that we have 60 over 360 because there's 360 degrees in a circle, and then we now are equaling that to 15 over 90 because 60 over 360 is equal to 15 over 90. And now we are putting 15 over 90 times pi r squared, because that was the equation we used for the whole circle, and now we're only finding a sector of it, which is 15 over 90. And now we're putting 15 over 90 times pi times 5 squared, because 5 is our r. And so once you put that all in your calculator, all together, the exact equation that we just wrote on the desk, it will equal to 13.089 if you do it correctly. Here's a reminder for finding the sector of a circle. R will always be given when finding the sector of a circle. And now we're going to review again of how to find the sector of a circle. Okay, so here you can see we have the circle, and r is equal to 5, and 60 is the degrees of the sector that we have. Then you can see here that we put 60 over 360 because that's how many degrees are in a circle, and we reduced it by timesing it by 2 twice to get 15 over 90. Then we took 15 over 90 times pi r squared, because that's what the original equation was, and we're just taking the sector, which is 15 over 90, and timesing it by that. Now, we just put 5, which in the original circle you could see is r, and put it in for the equation. So we put 5 in for r. So it'd be 15 over 90 times pi times 5 squared. Then you plug that all into your calculator and get A equals 13.089.